Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. There in this video we are going to discuss the MCQs of chemistry 12 chapter 10 alkyl halides. First MCQ is in primary alkyl halide. The halogen atom is attached to carbon which is further attached to how many carbon atoms? 2, 3, 1 or 4. Except CH3X means methyl halide. In primary alkyl halides alpha carbon is attached with 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 carbon atom. As you can see in this formula CH3 CH2Cl which is a primary alkyl halide in which that carbon which is known as a alpha carbon is attached with 2 hydrogen atom and 1 carbon atom directly. So we can say that in primary alkyl halides alpha carbon is attached with 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 carbon atom. Alpha carbon is that carbon which is directly attached to halogen atom. The carbon which is directly attached to halogen atom is called as a alpha carbon, and in primary alkyl halides alpha carbon is directly attached to only 1 carbon atom and 2 hydrogen atom. So the exact answer is 1. Next, the reactivity order of alkyl halides for a particular alkyl group is there. The reactivity order of alkyl halides for a particular alkyl group depends upon the sizes and polarity of CX bond. Greater the size of halogen atom, greater the reactivity of alkyl halide. So the exact answer is the reactivity of iodide is greater than reactivity of bromide, and reactivity of bromide is greater than reactivity of chloride, and reactivity of chloride is greater than fluoride. Next, when carbon dioxide is made to react with ethyl magnesium iodide followed by acid hydrolysis, the product formed is propane, propanoic acid, propanol or propanol. There, when carbon dioxide is made to react with ethyl magnesium iodide or bromide followed by acid hydrolysis, the product formed is propanoic acid. As you can see in this reaction, when ethyl magnesium bromide or iodide react with carbon dioxide, then propanoic acid is formed. So the exact answer is propanoic acid. Grignard reagent is reactive due to presence of halogen atom, the presence of magnesium atom, polarity of CMG bond, none of the above. There, the greater reactivity of Grignard's reagent is due to the polarity of alpha carbon and magnesium bond. The alpha carbon develops the partial negative charge and act as a nucleophilic center. So the exact answer is the polarity of CMG bond. Next is SN2 reactions can be best carried out with primary alkyl halides, secondary alkyl halides, tertiary alkyl halides, all the three. There, primary alkyl halides give SN2 mechanisms due to 2 reasons. First reason is that less steric hindrance, and second one is that instability of primary carbonium ion. So the exact answer is primary alkyl halide. SN2 reactions can be best carried out with primary alkyl halide. Next, elimination by molecular reactions involves first order kinetics, second order kinetics, third order kinetics, zero order kinetics. There, elimination by molecular reactions which are abbreviated as E2 obey second order kinetics because the rate of these reactions depend upon the concentration of alkyl halides and as well as attacking nucleophile or base. So the exact answer is second order kinetics. Next, for which mechanism the first step involved is the same, E1 and E2, E2 and SN2, SN1 and E2, E1 and SN1. There, in E1 and SN1 mechanism, the first step is same, that is the formation of carbonium ion. In E1 mechanism like SN1 mechanism, the first step is the slow ionization of the substrate to give a carbocation. In the second step, the nucleophile attacks on hydrogen to give an alkene as a product. So the exact answer is E1 and SN1. Next, alkyl halides are considered to be very reactive compounds towards nucleophile because they have an electrophilic carbon, and a good leaving group, they have an electrophilic carbon and a bad leaving group, they have a nucleophilic carbon and a good leaving group. There, in alkyl halide, the alpha carbon is electrophilic in character. When nucleophile attacks the alpha carbon, then halogen atom act as a leaving group. As you can see in this reaction, when a nucleophile hydroxyl group attack on a alpha carbon, then bromine or bromide act as a leaving group. So the exact answer is they have an electrophilic carbon and a good leaving group. Next, the rate of E1 reaction depends upon the concentration of substrate, the concentration of nucleophile, the concentration of substrate as well as nucleophile, none of the above. There, in E1 reaction, the first step is slow in which the molecule of the substrate breaks its bonds, and so the rate depend upon this step because bond breaking is the slow step and that is the rate determining step. So the exact answer is the concentration of substrate. The rate of E1 reaction depends upon the concentration of substrate. Which one of the following is not a nucleophile? H2O, H2S, BF3, NH3. There BF3 has no electron pair or negative charge on central atom boron, so it attracts electron and act as a electrophile. So the exact answer is BF3, which is not a nucleophile, while H2O, H2S and NH3 has a lone pair of electron, so they act as a nucleophile. देर आज के लिए इतना ही। इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट चैप्टर की एक्सरसाइज की एमसीक्यूज को सॉल्व करेंगे। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।